But after this, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. Acá tengo, I have my boat.
¿Cómo se llama tu blog?
Ahorita, sí. It's kind of nighttime. We got our boat here that we're gonna put on. A ver, señale. Cause it was raining. And then Pennywise. It's flipping gonna be like Pennywise. I'm Georgie. Oh damn, I messed up mine. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at mine. Oh, it went. Oh, my boat. Okay. Let's see where it goes. Let's see where it goes. Mine might be in last place, but am I gonna pass this person? Oh. La mía te pasó. Mine passed this one. Mine is still working. Oh, it messed up. Flip.
How Georgie can do that?
No, it wasn't Georgie that made it. It was his brother.
No?
See? There's another trail. So like, what? I saw someone. Look at these boats. Bro, look at this boat. Look, it's still good. Well, no, don't worry. I'll zoom in. Right there, he got it. Run! Pennywise! Pennywise! Last one is a rotten egg! Oh my god. Oh my goodness.
¿Hacemos otro? Pero lo hicieron mal.
Tamales. Ya sé, lo hicimos mal. We did it wrong. We can do another one tomorrow.
Yeah. No, si ya lo hacemos. Okay. Oh, my booty.
I don't know.
How do you do it?
It's pretty fun.
That's
While it lasted, at least.
Que se vaya.
Good night, dark sky. Oh. Oh, hell no. I'm getting inside.
¿No? ¿Tienes miedo? Yo no. ¿Tú? ¿Tienes miedo?
No.
Lo haces.
I think that's the end of the vlog.